The PC37X gaming headset from Mastrop and Sennheiser brings you into the game with an open-back design featuring angled drivers for pinpoint locational accuracy. Be heard clearly through the fold-down noise-canceling mic and enjoy the long-lasting comfort of large plush velvet ear pads. Now available in an all-matte black finish so the headset looks as good as it sounds. For more info, click the link in the description and catch the drop before it's gone.
Hello! Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Ariel. I'm a Kyle twin brother, identical twin. Kyle not here right now. I don't know where he go. He have me fill in for him, do his dirty work. Stupid. Today, we built a computer. Very nice, the tempered grass, the RGB go so nice together. Very sexy, you know? I don't know how to build computer. I never do before. Even though my family made everything here, my sister forged this with her own hands when she was 3 years old. Very impressive. This is probably overpriced as shit. Don't pay full price. My uncle get the $5.99 for this one. This is a small cooler. Small cooler go hump on the CPU. The motherboard S370 Taichi. Why? Okay, we started the build. Now. Okay, we have our motherboard here. Very sexy. With the plastic wrap. I leave the plastic wrap on. That's what I do with my furniture at home. So it worked nice. Then we got the CPU processor. Kyle said to be very careful with the CPU, so you know, you don't want to damage. I don't know how to do. What is this? Oh, it's an emergency brake. You got the Tokyo drift. Whee! Okay. CPU. Push down, make sure inside. Okay. You put the emergency brake. It's stuck. Okay. Uh-oh. We have a two stick, but the full slit. The full slit. I don't know which one. I do number one. Number one. Okay. The second one, I put next to the first one. Because they like a brother. They should be together. And now we get the cooler. The cooler make the CPU not sweat. Take the sticker off. Thermal paste. Kyle said to use thermal paste. How the fuck? Okay. Oh, it looks like a wonton special sauce. That's a good one right there. Baby. Now we take the cooler, put it on top, and screw down. Screw down to Chinatown. What do we do with the fan? The fan on top. I understand. The fan need to go on the side. This a fan pain in the ass. Some Chinaman need to be fired. This stupid engineer is a bad design. Design fraud. They probably got the A- on all the tests. Okay, cooler install, CPU install, memory install. Next step is to install motherboard and bolt it down so it do not fall. Make it nice and tight. There's no thread on this one. Whatever, I don't care. Kyle will never know. Motherboard installation complete. Look very nice. Next up. Oh shit. Next we have the power supply. Okay, I don't know which way this go. The fan bottom, fan top, all the other fan on the inside the case. So I make it the same here. Don't want him to feel left out. This is one by the Seasonic J series. 80 plus what? Finish the equation. The Seasonic people know how to math. Don't know. More like a C minus, not the Seasonic. Now to connect all the cable and wire. The CPU. That's my sister's name. You get over here. I say to her, you son of a bitch. You, if you're watching, you owe me $50. Next we have the drive, the SSD. Connect the SATA. Give it drive. Then you connect the data. Give it data. We connect right here. I don't know where this goes. We put it in the big one. The big one right there. Perfect. Fit like a glove. That's what they say. Now we do the, oh, hello, the graphics card. Chinese artifact. Next. We have the black slot. Go with the black slot on the motherboard. Okay? Not the white slot. The white slot. Confucius say the black and white don't mix. Okay? Confucius, my dentist. He's very smart. He make my teeth very clean too. I have the best teeth in the Far East. Everyone say Wow! Your teeth so clean. How you do? I say Confucius. He the man. Fit in. Nice and tight. Bolt it down. Seal the deal. Firm. Very firm. You got a 2 PCI. 4 PCI. So much power. Like a Kim Jong-un. Plug it in. Put the rest of the cable under the GPU. That's the best idea. Oh fuck! I forgot the front panel connector. Son of a bitch, got to take this out now. The fuck? All right, we got the power switch and the reset switch installed in the pin, so we can turn the computer on. Okay, front panel connector installed. Now we remount the GPU. Oh, Red Dragon. We're going in with the Red Dragon, so powerful, so red. We put the dragon inside there. He fit like a glove. Screw the dragon. Need to tame the beast. We have to feed him. Feed the dragon with the power. Aha! Put the cables, shove them. Just shove the shit. Shove all the shit down. I think we're done. Okay, time to use my muscle. Okay, very beautiful. I wonder if it turned on. Should we test? 3, 2, hey! Oh, the fan not spinning. That's okay. That's okay. The fan, they just there for the look of pretty. This one working. This one working. The double dragon working. We do a part 2. We do a part 2 where Kyle built a system like this one, and we compare. My number 1 like a wonton soup. So thank you for watching me my first video, and you have a good day. Okay.